So this is Blue Lock. This is also Blue Lock. And this is me, a 16-year-old boy who uses AI voice and not so good at 3D animation. We'll try to reanimate Blue Lock CGI in 7 days. So,
let's get straight to it.
This video is highly inspired by Silent Hum's video. With that being said, let's get to planning. So, I'm going to be making this scene from U20 arc. I started creating the storyboard using Paint after. Now let's get to the hard part, modeling the character. As always, start with deleting the cube. I have a pre-made anime character head, so let's import it then change it a bit. Then I started to work on the shirt, then the eyebrow, and the neck, and pants, then legs, and arm, and So, today I started to make the shoes for Isagi, and so far only the base model is done. The topology isn't the best just because I don't have that much time to worry about it.
A few moments later. Moments later. Moments later. More moments later. 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 Later.
Now, I think the shoes are officially done. So, yeah. Then, I tried to make the hair and got distracted by shaders.
Kilometers later.
I was making the hair while watching a tutorial, but it just not seemed to fit Isagi. So I decided to remake the hair. This video helped me a lot with making this hair. If you want to make a hair yourself, check this channel out. Soon after, I tried to get that anime look using grease pencil tool and blender, and also toon shaders. So then I got back to working on the hair. After some progress, I got bored, so I decided to get back to doing shaders and texture painting stuffs. Then I realized I need more stuff than just the character. So I start making a football for the animation, and I gave it that anime look as well. So now that out of the way, I textured the shirt and added toon shader to it. I think it looked great. So that's it for today. See ya in the 4th day.
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is?
Today, not much has happened. Just some texture painting and some rigging for the character. So, today I finished all the shading and texture painting for the model. And I rigged the model. I just used the auto rigging tool in Blender to save a ton of time in weight painting. It's looked decent enough, I guess. And lastly, I made the luck puzzle piece for the final animation, but I didn't done the shading for it. I guess the final 2 days will be intense. Subscribe and like, by the way.
Let's go!
So, finally we are doing the main thing. First, I set up the project to start animating. Then I started to position the camera for the first scene. I think for the first scene, it looked alright. Immediately after, I tried to get this unique pose for the second scene.
Five hours later.
Yeah. I know what you guys are saying right now. The head is definitely not correct. I had to change it because I couldn't get the head pose facing toward the camera. So I thought of rotating it to the side. I think it's looked good enough. I tried to do some compositing for the animation. After, I started to work on the next scene, but
Montage.
So, the animation is finally done. After some tweaking and changing things around, enjoy the final animation. Wait, the last episode of U20 Arc is here? There is no possible way they did better than...